Hello my beautiful people, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video we'll be making juice. So these are all the fruits we'll be using for the juice, guys. If you are just turning in, you're welcome. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you all to my old subscribers. I say God bless you. To my new subscribers, thank you so much. God bless you all. Guys, enjoy this video. Please don't forget to watch it to the end. There's amazing way how to make fruit juice without a juicer. Make it yourself at home. Guys, let's get started. Come with me.